Hi, welcome to the PingPlotter Cloud Getting Started tutorial. My name is Tyson Worth. I'm a customer success engineer here at Pingman Tools, and let me just say welcome to the team. We're glad you could join us in our never-ending quest to make network troubleshooting suck less. At the end of this video, my hope is that you have the information you need to successfully deploy a cloud agent, start a trace, run insights, and create a live share. Before we can start tracing, we need to deploy an agent. We can quickly create a new agent using the Agent's Overview widget, but we're going to do it from the agent page. From here we have two options. A template is used to create a multi-use installer. This is what you would want to use for mass deployment of PingPlotter agents. You can also create a single-use installer by simply creating an agent. We'll create a single-use installer by clicking on the Create Agent button. We'll give it a friendly name, like Emma. With the agent created, the next step is to deploy the agent. We do this by clicking on the agent name and then selecting the appropriate deployment method in the right-hand panel. The installer method allows us to download an exe or Mac application and then install it on the appropriate machine, where the auto setup link can be used if PingPlotter is already installed on the machine. In this case, I'm going to use the installer. Once the application is installed on the remote machine, the status of our agent Emma should change to online. There we go. We just successfully deployed a PingPlotter Cloud agent. With our agent online, we're now ready to start tracing. To start a trace, go to the agent summary by clicking on the name of the agent in the agent widget. Type the IP address or URL of the endpoint in the target bar and then hit enter, or click on the green start arrow. The new trace will drop down into this section. Once the trace is started, the status light will turn from black to green, yellow, or red based on the latency. You can right-click in the name column to show several options for this trace, like stop tracing and close, or pause. Let's allow the system to collect some data, and then we'll come back to check on it and see if we can find anything interesting. Now that we've collected some data, we should be able to use PingPlotter Insights to analyze the data, identify where the problem starts, and possibly determine a potential cause. To run Insights, open the target window and click on the Insights button. Insights will start by analyzing the last 24 hours of data. Here we see that Insights went through and rated our connection quality for VoIP. Down below we see what network events likely contributed to the poor signal quality and where those appear on the timeline graph. According to Insights, this agent is experiencing local bandwidth saturation. And now that we've got our culprit, let's share this data with Emma. We can use LiveShare to share the results of our investigation. A LiveShare is a link you can send to anybody, which will give them read-only access to the same data you see here. To create a LiveShare, click on the share icon and select LiveShare. Give it a friendly name, an expiration date, maybe add some notes, and then click Create. Anybody who navigates to this URL will see the same data you had open when you created the LiveShare. This makes sharing and collaborating much easier. This was a very brief introduction to the most basic application for PingPlotter Cloud. How you implement the tool and use it will vary based on your use case. I encourage you to watch our other videos to learn how to do things like mass deploy cloud agents or use alerts to automate some of your workflows. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or hit us up at support@pingman.com. Thanks again for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And as always, happy pinging.